Let's talk about one of the most common and the dangerous issues in alarm system: alarm flooding. Alarm flooding happens when too many alarms activates in a short time, usually during a process upset. According to ISA 18.2, if an operator sees more than 10 alarms in minute, it is considered as a flood. Now imagine you are the operator. Everything is running smoothly, and suddenly a compressor trips. Within a second, your screen flooded with alarms. For example, low suction pressure, low flow, high motor temperature, high vibration. Dozen of them. Which one do you think you will need to act first? That's exactly what happened in one of the plant I visited. A compressor tripped during startup, and the operator got over 125 alarms within 5 minutes. Most of them were not the cause, but as symptoms. So, what was the real cause? A stuck suction valve, but it got buried in the flood. The operator restarted the compressor too soon and caused equipment damage. Here is another example. At a petrochemical site, a cooling water pump failed that triggered 35 related alarms ac- across the plant, um, which includes reactor temperature high, pressure deviation, heat exchanger flow drops. So, what was the actual problem? The pump trip was a low priority alarm buried in the list. It wasn't spotted until it was too late and the reactor went into the emergency shutdown. So, in some cases, alarm flooding is so bad that the operators start ignoring alarms altogether. This leads to what we call alarm fatigue, and it is very dangerous. On real tragedy, where alarm management played a role, was the Deepwater Horizon incident. The alarm system were actually disabled to avoid nation's alarm. When gas started building up, no one was warned. The result was catastrophic. So, what we can do about alarm floods? Start with rationalizing alarms. Make sure only the alarms that needs attention are configured. Use deadbands and delays to eliminate chattering. Apply suppression rules for known operating modes like startup and shutdown, and implement flood suppression logic to limit how many alarms show up per minute. Remember, during a flood, even the most skilled operator can't make good decisions. Alarm should guide, not overwhelm. Thank you.